In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to automate FTP uploads using advanced ETL processor. All we need to do is to drag and drop FTP upload component, select connection. I have already created connection. Select remote folder. Let's select home folder and select files to upload. Let's upload multiple files. To upload multiple files, what we need to do, we need to change the file name to mask. We have 3 files in our folder. So let's run it. Check the log. You can see it's actually uploaded quite a lot of files. And let's check if we actually have the files. Rather easy with FTP browser. Don't need to use anything else. Just click connect. And here are our files. As you can see, that's very simple. Again, if you have any questions or suggestions how to make our software better, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. And as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.